In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive from syncing everything. This tutorial will be particularly useful for those of you who find unnecessary files taking up space, or simply want more control over what gets backed up to the cloud. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open the OneDrive app. If you're using a desktop or laptop, you'll find the OneDrive icon in your system tray, or you can search for it in your applications. Once you've located the app, click to open it. This is your gateway to managing your OneDrive settings, including those pesky automatic sync options that we're here to tame today. Next up, let's navigate to the settings. Within the OneDrive interface, look for the settings option. This might be represented by a gear icon, or it may simply say settings. In some versions of the app, you might need to click on your profile picture or name to find this option. Clicking here will open a new window, where you can adjust a variety of preferences related to your OneDrive account. Once you're in the settings menu, your next destination is the sync and backup section. This is where OneDrive hides all the tools you need to manage what's getting synced and backed up from your devices to the cloud. It's a crucial stop for us in this journey to decluttering your OneDrive space. In the sync and backup area, you're going to see a couple of options that we need to adjust. First, look for the option labeled Save Photos and Videos from Devices. By default, OneDrive is set to save every photo and video you take on connected devices. While this feature can be handy, it can also fill your cloud storage quickly with unwanted files. Toggle this option off to stop the automatic upload of your media. Similarly, you'll see an option for saving screenshots you capture directly to OneDrive. If you're like me and take a lot of screenshots for work or personal use, this feature can quickly become overwhelming. Go ahead and turn this off as well. Finally, we're going to take control of the broader backup settings. Find and click on Manage Backup. Here, OneDrive might be set to automatically back up folders like your desktop, documents, and pictures. While backing up these folders can be a lifesaver in some situations, not everyone wants or needs every single file from these folders in the cloud. In this section, you'll have the option to turn off the backup for each of these folders individually. Simply toggle off the backup for any folder you prefer not to automatically sync to OneDrive. By managing these settings, you're taking a big step towards controlling your digital clutter and ensuring that only the files you want in the cloud get backed up. Remember, turning off these automatic backups doesn't mean you can't manually back up important files to OneDrive. It just means you're choosing what gets saved and what doesn't, which is a powerful step towards managing your digital storage effectively. Before we wrap up, a couple of additional tips to remember. First, any changes you make in these settings might take a moment to reflect across all your devices, so be patient. And second, it's a good idea to periodically review these settings along with the files you have in OneDrive. Your needs might change over time, and staying on top of these settings will help ensure your cloud storage works for you, not against you. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to stop OneDrive from syncing everything automatically. By following these simple steps, you'll have more control over your cloud storage, ensuring that only the files you want to be backed up are taking up that valuable space. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial. Happy syncing, or rather happy selective syncing.